What we have here today is a replacement of the cabin air filter in a Saturn Ion. First thing you're going to need to do is take and push in on both sides of the glove box. Let that fall down. And next we'll go inside and remove the cabin air filter. Next, right here there's a tab. We'll pull that tab up. Pull the little door down, and you can remove the old filter. Have a new filter. There is an arrow on it showing the direction of the airflow. That arrow is pointed down. What you'll do is hold the top little locking tab up and slide in your new filter. Close the door. Push the locking tab back down. Take your glove box, push in on both sides. Now you're all done.